Okay YouTube, we're not looking at just the green grass today, or a telegraph pole, or a half cut fence. I'm going to bring the FG around and I'm going to try a Temu water pistol. I've got the liquid in the canister there, and it's got a water and soap tap on the top. My car needs a wash, so I thought, hey, let's involve you guys and let's see if one of these things actually works better than a cannon. I can't see it myself, and I bet you my my apricot balls that it doesn't work. You know, stone fruit. Merry Christmas. These are amazing. A shout out to Toowoomba car enthusiasts, TCE. He needs a cannon.
Hey, what do you say? This whole town could be red by the end of the day. If you feel alright, we could throw it and drive. With the radio up so loud they can hear us from miles. Let the good times roll.